Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to zoom in a video in Canva. So let's start. It's very easy. I have started this project and I want to add an element here, and this element I want to be bigger than normal or than usual. First let's go to the left side, and here we'll find design, elements, and many options here. So I want to add a video here, and I add the word machine. So let's find something that is about machine, and of course I don't have pro subscription, but I will add something that is completely free. Let's find it. For example, I will add this video, okay, this coffee. So we have this video here, this element, and I want to this look bigger. So what I want to do is make this bigger, and I will make it doing this part bigger like this. Okay, you can find this is making bigger, so only you have to do it until you find the size that you want, like this one. As you can see, now this element has a zoom in our video. You can find the zoom appears. So now if you want to check how it looks, just click in another white part in there and you will find the zoom correct. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.